Do not forget to label your seedlings. I mixed my seedling this year. I have amazing sun gold cherry tomatoes, but I mixed them with my regular tomatoes, and now I have forest. It's a big, big forest. I will have a lot of cherry tomatoes, but my cucumbers doesn't have enough light. When I grow regular sized tomatoes, I trim them pretty hard, and cucumbers in the place I plant would have enough light. But this year my cucumbers has not enough light because I mixed my tomatoes. I have cherry tomatoes in the front of my cucumbers, which is not right. Plus I have celery and kale and beets. My garden is very, very packed. This is my style. I'm not saying that you should do this way, but it works for me because it's an urban garden. I have very limited space, and my veggies grows technically one on each other, and I'm pretty happy about this. I have vertical veggies. And this is my second round of lettuce. And because it's Colorado, it's 95 Fahrenheit almost every day. It's hot. And my cucumber naturally gives some shade and cool off the ground. Lettuce looks good. And plus, because I pick seeds by myself, I do have them a lot, and I seed them a lot, and I just will thin them a little bit. And my favorite lettuce is my grandma's lettuce, and the first round is blooming right now. They will produce a lot of seeds, and then I have them, I seed them, and they are actually very, very good lettuce. It's crunchy because and plus they are very easy to take care of. And I do like to plant the same kind of plant in different places of my garden. I have cucumber in my forest. I have cucumber in the front of my yard. I have another one and 3 more. If one would get diseased or bugs will attack, or in my case it is so much shade, but still it's producing, I will be good with cucumbers this year because they are everywhere. And I do the same with cantaloupe too. I have in one space. They are doing pretty nice. There. In another place. And one more. This one is very, very strong. It likes the dirt environment. This one is in my forest front. And again, one more cucumber. It's happy too. And my sun gold cherry tomatoes, they are amazing taste, amazing. They are so sweet. Breakfast time.